Hi guys, my name is Anna Bible. I am summarizing our leadership certification handbook. The certification program through Schreiner is 18 hours of coursework and 160 practicum hours. Candidates are also expected by the end of the coursework to pass the PASL assessment. This is assessment created through the state and a program to test us on written expression, documents and artifacts, videos, specific tasks, problem solving, those sorts of skills. These can be worked on some of these artifacts can be worked on during our 160 hours of practicum and our classes. Some of the choices within the practicum are requirements and some are actual choices. Those can be found on pages 9 through 14. These activities that are all aligned with principal standards and what would be expected of us once we become principals. Some of the required activities include participate in a campus advisory committee, participate in a PTA meeting, create a cultural analysis of the campus, utilize benchmark data to work with faculty, analyze and evaluate the quality of instructional practices, so observing teachers, giving them feedback, that sort of thing. Utilize benchmark data. We already said that one. Participate in a special program. So dyslexia, special ed, 504s. Conduct a teacher appraisal. Do a facilities check with our current admin. Attend and evaluate a school board meeting. And interview a central office administrator. Other things are by our choice, and those are also listed on pages 9 through 14. Let's see, on pages 15 through 16, these are proficiencies that are developed within our program. And from pages 19 through 29, there's evaluation standards for principals outlined, and all of our forms that we need are in the handbook, as well as supplemental reading suggestions. I hope you have a great day. I hope that kind of summarizes our handbook for you. And I can't wait to see you guys and work with you guys throughout the year. Thanks. Bye.